Today we're going to be making a tropical juice with pineapple, mango, lemon and ginger. To get started, slice up some mango, and you want to make sure that this is nice and ripe so that it's as sweet as it can be, since we're not adding any sweetener to this juice. Use a knife to cut it and then use a spoon to scoop out the flesh so that you are using as much of that mango as possible. Next, top and tail a pineapple, remove the outer skin and chop it up ready to go in the juicer. Now you can wash the ginger, and there's no need to peel it, but just be mindful that even the tiniest bit of ginger can be super spicy, so you might want to chop it up and add it little by little depending on your taste preference. Finally, peel a lemon and you are ready to go. Add all the ingredients to the juicer, finishing up with the ginger to taste, and you have a delicious tropical juice that's also going to be good for your immune system. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more juicing tips and recipes.